Ladies and gentlemen, the stock market is breaking out, or is it? Or is it? We have to break down what I think in this video. We have to go over some charts and some stocks, so hit the like button, subscribe, make sure to join my Patreon if you guys want all my buy, sells, call outs, plus more. That's linked down below. And you guys could also get 5 stocks from Moo, valued up to $3,500 each. All you have to do is use my link, deposit $100, and you can get up to 5 stocks, each valued up to $3,500 from Moo. That and the Patreon, link down below. And with that being said, let's talk. So as of now, SPY has been rallying. The stocks, or the ETF. SPY's not a stock, guys. I almost caught myself there, or almost slipped up there. SPY's an ETF. It tracks the S&P 500, right? This is currently up 1.3% right now. It's almost noon on the East Coast. We have the Dow up 1.4%. We have the NASDAQ up about 1%, a little over 1%. And we have the Russell down a little bit. The Russell's down 0.2% as the VIX is down about 5%. But if you guys have noticed, the VIX was down 10% earlier in the day, but it's slowly been creeping up over the past couple of hours throughout the course of today. Look at this on the intraday chart for the VIX, guys. It's been slowly creeping up. And in fact, the markets, look at the intraday on SPY, markets have slowly been going down a bit throughout the day for SPY and on Triple Q. And you guys can clearly see that on the intraday chart, like I said. And if I pull up the 20-day chart for Triple Q, you guys can see we are seeing some sellers. We are seeing some selling pressure and low volume today, by the way. Look how low the volume is today. We're seeing some sellers kick in right around the 180 moving average, which, lo and behold, has been resistance over the course of this sell-off. So it makes me a little bit nervous, guys. I'm not going to lie. The fact that we did see a big rally pre-market into market open and we're still up, but we're not getting pressure, buying pressure to take us out of the highs from yesterday and the 180 moving average. The fact that we're struggling at these levels, that makes me a bit nervous. So until Triple Q breaks out above, let's say, 357, 358, and honestly into the 360s. Until we do that, we are going to be in a downtrend, and every rally we have to realize could very well be a bull trap as long as we're under this main moving average, which we still are right now. And it's the same thing when it comes to SPY, right? Look at SPY here, guys. We're under 440 rather, which was a resistance from months ago, and we're under the high point from yesterday and the 180 SMA on this 20-day chart. So until SPY gets out of, let's say, 450 plus to be safe here, which is $12 roughly to the upside, this is still going to be in a downtrend. And like I said with Triple Q, every rally could potentially be a bull trap, which makes me a little bit nervous. Again, it makes me a little bit nervous to just go all in on the markets now. And I'm not one of these guys that's trying to time the markets. I sell everything. I'm trying to time the markets. I'm trying to get in on the bottom. I'm not doing that. I'm still in the markets heavily, but I have a lot of cash at the same time. So I'm not looking to, just dump all my cash in my spare cash right now that we're trying to, we're seeing a red or a green day and we're slowly trying to get out of the downtrend because we're not out of the downtrend yet. We have to be careful, guys. So what do you think? Drop me a comment down below. Do you think this rally that we're seeing today is a bull trap? Do you think it's legit? What do you guys think? Drop me a comment, hit the like button if you all are finding value in this video. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe, guys. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's talk a little bit about what I'm looking to do today. And I haven't done, well, I did buy one thing earlier in the day. You guys in my Patreon know that. But other than that, I'm looking to I haven't done anything other than that, but I'm looking to potentially trade SQQQ again, but it's not really showing me any signs of a breakout to the upside quite yet. We're not getting it quite yet. You guys can see on the intraday chart, or this is the 5-day chart. On the intraday chart, you can see we're just consolidating on SQQQ. We're not really showing much direction, so I'm going to be watching this closely for the rest of the day, and I might not even trade it. I might not even trade it. Yesterday, I made 7% on this, so trying to chase it and make another 7% today might not happen, so I'm not going to force it. But if the opportunity presents itself, I'm going to jump on that. I'm going to jump on that. And you guys know SQQQ tracks triple Q, but it's an inverse to triple Q. So if triple Q goes down 1%, SQQQ goes up 3%. It's a 3x inverse ETF. That is how it works. So let's see some other stocks here. Tesla. Do you guys remember Tesla? You guys know Tesla, right? They're currently down 6.5% today after reporting earnings yesterday. And let's double check and see what they did and what's going on here on the live news tab. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Wait a second. Citigroup, look at their price target. You guys probably can't see this, but Citigroup adjusted Tesla's price target to $313 from $262, reiterates a sell rating. Wow, I haven't seen that bearish of an analyst. I mean, a lot of people are bearish on Tesla. It's one of those highly controversial stocks. It's a cult stock. You have a lot of people that think it's going to $5,000 a share. It's undervalued here. Then you have a lot of people that are like, listen, we're traditional value investors. The PE is way too high. They're not making a lot of money. They're growing nicely, yeah, but the price is just ridiculous to justify the actual value of the business. So there's a lot of bears that would probably agree with Citigroup here with their sell rating. And could you imagine if they actually were right, Citigroup, and Tesla went down at $260 a share? That would be, that's like an 80%, 70, 80% drop from here. That is ridiculous. And on the flip side, we have Oppenheimer adjusting Tesla's price target to $1,100 from $1,080, and they're maintaining an outperform rating, which goes to show, again, there's a lot of mixed feelings with Tesla. A lot of bulls, a lot of bears, a lot of people that don't even want to be a part of it. And let's see here exactly what they reported, just so we can refresh ourselves. They reported yesterday after market hours, and I'm not seeing it here overall, but it seems like they did about $2.54 in EPS, so they have been profitable the past couple of quarters, which is good, but again, from traditional valuation metrics or standpoints, perspective, whatever you want to call it, Tesla is a bit overvalued if you're looking at PE only, but there's a lot more to it than that. We're not going to talk about that in this video, and overall, again, it's down 6.4% today, down about $60 per share. That means it is officially down 30%, including today's drop from the all-time high of about $1,200 and $1,250 roughly, right? And by the looks of it, on the 4-hour chart, we are pretty oversold. RSI is at 34, and we're more towards the bottom of the channel here than the top of the channel, and we're clearly under both moving averages. So maybe we do get some sort of relief rally. And my thinking here is, guys, if the markets in general, let's say SPY, Triple Q, the rally we're seeing is a bull trap, we end up dumping in the main indexes, Tesla's going to go lower in the short term. It might go 800, 850, no doubt in my mind. But if this rally is legit, let's say we have a green day, even if we have a green day tomorrow on Friday, we end off the week on a nice strong green day. If that happens, Tesla might see a nice relief rally, a nice bounce. As people digest the earnings and the dust settles a bit, we might get that relief rally. So I'm watching Tesla for that exact reason, and I'm also watching Intel today, guys. Intel is one of my positions. This one's down 5.5% just today, and I'm considering buying more Intel on this weakness. They just reported earnings yesterday. We have UBS maintaining neutral rating on Intel, lowers price target to $53, yada, yada, yada. Let's see exactly what they did, though. For all of you guys that don't remember, including myself, I forget exactly what they did. 80 cents. Okay, they did 80 cents versus 86 cents. That's right. They missed a little bit on EPS in terms of the estimates, but sales on the flip side beat. 18.3 billion sales versus 17.62 billion estimated. Not too bad. And we see here the adjusted EPS beat, though, $1.09 versus 90 cents, but unadjusted, it did not beat. Or actually, no, wait a second. They see Q1. That's my mistake, guys. I'm sorry. They see Q1 EPS of 80 cents versus the 86 cents. So they guided down for the next quarter, but the previous quarter, they actually beat the estimate. Again, they did $1.09 versus 90 cents. That's my mistake. And they also increased the dividends. So I don't think it was that bad of a quarter. I think it's falling on guidance here. And they did hit a low point on this 4-hour chart at about 47.85. I'm probably going to be buying more Intel at these levels. We shall see. And in terms of some other stocks, we have PayPal doing well today. PayPal's up over 3%, and it's still clearly in a downtrend. I believe it just hit a 52-week low yesterday. PayPal did? Yeah, it did. So that hit 150 yesterday or the day before, whatever, recently, let's put it that way. And it's officially down. I mean, it cut in half. It's down over 50% from all-time highs. We also have Amazon today up over 3%, roughly 3%, and we are getting a lot of consolidation around 2,800 a share. And that's right around, look at this, guys, right around the 180 moving average on this 3-year chart. So if this 3-year chart is legit, we might see buyers step in right where we are now. Well, I mean, it could go lower, maybe 2,500. That's exactly where the 180 SMA is on the 3-year chart, around 2,500. So we could see maybe $200-300 more downside, but overall, I think 25 to 2,800, that 300-point window, that could be an accumulation window for buyers. We'll see. Granted, if the stock market collapses, we go into recession, that's probably not going to happen. Amazon's going to go lower, but as things are right now, we're seeing buyers stepping in around here. This looks pretty decent. And overall, that's pretty much it, guys. We have energy doing well. XLE's up 1.4%. We have Google, Facebook. Pretty much all the FANG names are doing well today. We have Apple up 1.7%. Google's up 1.8%. Facebook's up 2%. Amazon, like I said, is up almost 3%. And before we wrap up the video, let's see Microsoft. What's Microsoft doing? Microsoft's back over 300. It's up 2.7%. Netflix today is up 8%. Jeez, guys. Did I hear Bill Ackman bought Netflix? Yeah. Oh, wow. Yes. Yeah. I heard about that. That's right. Billionaire investor Bill Ackman buys 3.1 million Netflix shares during the sell-off, which, I mean, I kind of agree with that. Or not that I agree with it. Like, I'm just going to go blindly buy them myself now. But I was thinking, okay, Netflix is now cut in half. And this is a profitable business, and they had a one-off quarter that wasn't good with subscriber growth. The PE came down a lot as it cut down in half, obviously, over the past couple of months. The PE now is a 34, which is decent considering Netflix's growth is still pretty solid. So it makes sense to me that Bill Ackman did end up buying some Netflix. And who knows, maybe I will buy some Netflix too. You know, I've been thinking about it the past couple of days as well. I haven't pulled the trigger yet, and I'm not looking to rush it either. So what do you guys think? Drop me a comment, hit the like button, subscribe, join my Patreon if you guys want all my moves in the markets, morning update videos, Discord access, more access to me throughout the day as well. All of that's on Patreon, link down below. And don't forget to get your free money, your 5 stocks from Moomoo, each of which could be valued up to $3,500. Use my link down below. Deposit at least $100. We're going to get some free stocks. Again, that's linked down below. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching as always. Keep crushing the markets. Stay safe out there. Peace out.